shit. Let's see if I can run it with this Lexus real fast.
They made it through the struggle, got it off the muscle. Wanted Gucci on my buckle, so I had to hustle. Stomach growling like a lion, I was really hungry. Ain't nobody.
Alright y'all, so for today's video we're gonna be doing some hard pulls and downshifts like next to buildings so you guys can hear this shit. So yeah, no more talking, let's get straight into it. Oh yeah, have a muffler delete, X pipe, and tuned on the 85. That's about it. So basically E85 and exhaust. But yeah, let's get straight into it. So here, a little cold start. Hold on. Oh shit, I forgot. I don't drive automatic. Alright y'all, so right now though, we will go fill up on the 85. Oh my god, look at that, my shit's so dirty. Oh my god. But yeah, we're gonna go fill up on the 85. Alright, so right now we're just letting the car warm up, so that way, you know, we can do some pretty good pulls and runs. Not runs, pulls and downshifts, my bad. But yeah, let's get it. I also have the GoPro mounted, you know, just in case someone tries to pull up and run it with me. Fuck it, run it with them. But let's roll down the windows. Alright, we about to get the first. Oh shit. Alright, so first gear, little first gear downshift. Alright, so it's a little second gear gunshots right here. Let's do a little second gear pull. Let's do a 41 or 45, 45. Hold on. Oh shit. Hold on. Fred's forward. Hell yeah. He said rev it. That's just funny. Hey, sheesh, look at that. Clean that's 5-0. Alright. And let me know if you guys like C8 Corvettes. I don't hate them, you know, but you guys let me know if you guys fuck with them. Just not my type of Corvette. No hate towards any of them. Oh shit, he did a pull? Oh shit. Oh shit. Let's see if I can run it with this Lexus real fast. Alright y'all, so just pulled up to the 85 station, but that should be it for the video. If you guys are new, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below, and for the rest of you, hit that like button down below and put your post notifications on so you guys can get notified when I post my next video. But yeah, that should be it for the video. I know I didn't make it that long, but if you guys want to watch more of these like pulls and downshifts, you know, let me know. So yeah, as of for now, I'm out. Deuces.